Hello guys. So as you know, the Great Indian Festival sale is going on Amazon. So I ordered new laptop. So to protect that laptop, to be on safer side, I ordered this cooling fan. It comes with five fans, and the rating was good, and all the reviews were good. And this is the most selling product. So I blindly ordered it. I not done any research on it. So here are some specs. 2000 is the MRP, but I got it in 900 rupees due to sale. And the strange thing is, this is manufactured by Quantum only. So Quantum itself is selling another cooling pad, and this is the ZINQ. I don't know, ZINQ is the another brand or ZINQ is the series or something. Let me quickly unbox it. So this is how the packaging looks like. Nothing else inside the box, only this and this cable. Cable looks really good. It's braided. Let me show you the length. So this is the length of cable. It's more than enough, as you will most of the time connect this to your laptop only. There is a user guide. These are the specifications. You can pause the video and read it out if you want. Okay, you can control the speed of the fan. So they are insisting to give rating. So this is, please pull the laptop stopper here. So this is the laptop stopper. I'm unable to remove it right now. This is metallic, not aluminum obviously, but looks okay. Now let me quickly give the power supply to it. So here are the two USB ports and the fan speed adjustment, I believe. I'm not sure which is the input port, because anything like that is not written over here. Only two USB ports I can see. I thought I will use it as a USB hub, but if one port will be engaged in the power supply, then only one port will be left empty. There is no other port anywhere. Only one port is there. Let me quickly turn it on. So all fans are working. No noise at all. Okay, this is floating. So this is how the power you will get. Let me turn down the speed. So fan stopped. So there are two controls. Okay, so the first control is for these four fans. Okay, you hear the click sound where you can switch it off. This is the main central fan. Okay, so this fan is sucking the air and these fans are throwing the air, I believe. Okay, this one also has the sound. Okay, for some reason this is not working. The middle fan. Strange. Let me try replugging it. So guys, in the unboxing video itself, one fan stopped working. Very strange. This has never happened to me. These four fans are working, but I don't know. This stopped working. Okay, this is the honest unboxing and review. I don't know if that is the problem of switch or something, but one fan is not working at all. You can see I am trying to switch it on. No worries, I will ask for the replacement as it's Amazon. This won't be big trouble, I believe. Okay, so there is, okay, it started now. There is some problem in this button. Now it's working. Okay, now all fans started working. I will test it for a couple of more days, and if the same issue happens again, I will replace it. So this was overall. Let me turn off the lights so that you will get the clear view how it looks. So this is how it looks. All the lights are off. It's not strong enough. The lighting is not strong enough, but it's the ambient lighting. Anyway, light is not the primary concern of this fan. Actually, cooling is the primary concern. So this is my small 14-inch laptop. This is how it will fit. So that was my video. As I faced one problem. I'm not sure that is problem or that was some loose contact or something. Now it's working, you can see, but it didn't work in first go. I don't know why. Okay, so this shape of this fan is different than this one. This is also rotating clockwise, this is also rotating clockwise, I believe. But this is mounted opposite side, that's why it will suck the air and this will blow the air. So that is basically the physics. They know the engineering better way than us. Now it's working. So that was the review and honest unboxing and the review of the ZINQ 5-in-1 fan cooling pad. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Let me check if the another USB board is working or not. I'll quickly insert this dongle. This is my laptop. I hope you can see it. So now I am connecting this mouse to this dongle to check if it's working. As a USB hub or not. Okay, I got the indication and it's working, guys. Let me show you. This is my laptop and this is the mouse. You can see it's working. Now I will shuffle the ports to check if the other side is working or not. So you can't use it as a USB hub, but one USB dongle you can use. Okay, the other side is working as well. Perfect. No issues. Overall, I am happy with the product. The build quality is not premium. This is just a basic product for 900 rupees. I still feel it's a little overpriced considering the build quality, and I am not sure how long this is gonna last. This is not a branded product like Logitech or something, so I'm not expecting much, but I'm not sure it will last long or not. Looks like basic generic Chinese stuff only. But this is being sold on Amazon on very huge level. This was best selling product, that's why I ordered it. There is one better product than this that costs that is by Cosmic Byte. I don't know it's better or not, but Cosmic Byte is at least a brand. This brand I heard for first time. Anyway, that was my review. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Thanks for watching. Keep bringing some kind of stuff every now and then, so please subscribe. Thank you.